In this session, we will learn to prepare the Cat6 Ethernet cable that we usually lay for IP camera installation. By preparation, we mean how to put RJ45 connectors on cable ends so that it is ready to be connected to switches, IP camera and network video recorder. By putting RJ45 connectors on both the ends of the cable, we will be following EIA 568B standard. As we know, Cat6 Ethernet cable has 4 pairs of twisted wires covered by outer jacket. So EIA 568B standard is nothing but the sequence in which these pairs are put inside RJ45 connector. On the screen, you can see the diagram showing the sequence of wires as per the color codes. We will follow this sequence while putting RJ45 connectors. Let's get ready with the material and tools that we will require during the process of putting RJ45 connectors on the Ethernet cable. This is the Ethernet cable and this is RJ45 connector. We will also require some tools. The first one is the cutter that we will use to cut wires, and the most important tool is crimping tool. This tool is used to crimp the RJ45 connectors onto the Cat6 cable. Both the tools can easily be purchased from the computer market for as low as 300-400 rupees. So let's start. First of all, we will remove the outer jacket of the Ethernet cable to expose the twisted pairs inside. To do this, we will use the crimping tool. Here is a groove. Put it on the crimping tool. Put the Ethernet cable here in this groove to remove the outer jacket. The outer jacket is now removed. Inside we can see 4 twisted pairs of copper wires and a plastic separator. Just cut this plastic separator and also the thread. Now untwist all the wires. One by one. And straighten them all. Once the wires are straightened, put these wires in the sequence as per 568B standard. The very first wire in the sequence is white orange, then orange, next is white green, then blue, white blue, green, white brown, and the last one is brown. Once all the wires are put in desired sequence, straighten them finally once again. Now cut the excess wires with the help of cutter or you may use the crimping tool also. Now collect your RJ45 connector and push it onto the wires while maintaining the sequence all the times. Ensure that outer jacket also goes into the RJ45 connector for better grip. Once the connector is put on the cable, now use crimping tool to crimp the connector. Place the RJ45 plug here in this groove and press. Once it is pressed, pull out the connector from the crimping tool. Pressing will push the copper pins of the RJ45 connector into the wires, thus establishing the contact. Repeat the same process for the other end of the cable, and finally your cable is ready to make connections with IP cameras, network video recorders, or with the switch.